So hello guys, welcome back to the video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Bluetooth connection issue on Samsung phone. So first of all, open settings app on your phone. Now here tap on connections, then tap on Bluetooth. Now here turn off Bluetooth. Tap on turn off. Now wait for a few seconds. Now after a few seconds, turn on Bluetooth again. Now this will enable Bluetooth. And this should fix the issue. In case the issue is still not fixed, then restart your phone. For this long press volume down button and power button together. Like this. Now you'll get this menu. Tap on restart. Tap on restart again. And this will restart your phone. Now once you do this, the issue should be fixed. If not, then open the settings app. Scroll down. Tap on general management. Scroll down and then tap on reset. Scroll down. Now tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now here tap on reset settings. And this will reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection settings. Now this will reset Bluetooth settings. And once you do this, the issue will be fixed. So this I can fix Bluetooth connection issues on Samsung phone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.